Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how you can delete your Facebook page permanently. To do this, first of all, you need to open Facebook app. Then switch your profile to page. I have already set it. Find settings and privacy, tap on it. Then further click on settings. Then click on page settings. Here you will see many options, but you need to find access and control. There are many options here, but you need to scroll down a little bit. Then find access and control. Tap on it. Then there is a tab for deactivation and deletion. Click on it. You have now two options. If you want to deactivate it, page will be deactivated and you can also get access anytime it again. So if you want to delete permanently, then select delete. Remember, it will be deleted immediately and all your data and posts will be deleted. So if you are sure you want to delete it, then just select the delete page option and continue. Then give any reason that you want to give. Then I want to select this. Then click continue. Here you have three options. If you want to save your post, then you can select first option, and if you have some important information and if you want to transfer your information, you can also transfer. In this case, I want to just delete it. Then click on continue. Here you can put your profile password to continue this process. Once you enter your password rightly, it will be deleted permanently. So hopefully it will work for you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.